Welcome to Rusizi, one of the biggest city in Rwanda or town, however you call it. So today we are going to move around this beautiful town here in the southwest of Rwanda, in Cyangugu, and it's known as Kamembe town. So this is what we are gonna do today. This town is very known because you have to stay here if you want to have like a best view of Lake Kivu, going to the Nyungwe National Park. And also if you want to move around this beautiful city, or you want to go to Congo, because this city or this town is neighboring DRC on the side of, what the name of it? On the side of Bukavu. So today we are going to move around the town. We are going to show you guys how the town looks like, what people in this area do, and you know how everything is on going. So as you can see now, we are just here. The town is down here, so we are just starting the video all the way from here so that we can walk down there very nicely and show you guys how it is. So come with me as we explore this Kamembe town. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Like this video and share this video to your friends. Let's go. So I was saying that when you go on that way, you are going to Gihundwe Hospital and another neighborhood, but my microphone was not on, so yeah, we are going this way because we want to go to the town. And when you go down this way, you can go to the airport, to the market, you know, and yeah, you can see from there city center, the town center, because this is a town. Yeah. You can see how it is. I'm sure it's gonna be very busy because it's a neighboring town to the RC, so I'm sure it's kind of busy and very, you know, a lot of people here. And of course it's gonna be like full of different people. Some people might be uncomfortable with the camera, some people will be okay maybe, but you know, we don't mind. I'm with my brother here, Legend. Legend. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. We are going to cross the road from here so that we can go to the other road. You can see this is a zebra crossing. Let's first check if there is nothing for us to, you know, these people. Okay. Yeah, let's go. Rusizi. Bottega. So guys, we are going to walk around the town, Kamembe, Kembi, as people from here call it. So we are going to walk down here from this hill going down. As you can see, this town is right next to the Lake Kivu. Down there, you can see like it's just right next to the Lake Kivu. So you can, you know, understand how people enjoy this town, having the view of Lake Kivu, you know, going to Congo as they are neighboring Congo. Like just right there, it's in Congo, and here is in Rwanda. Can you imagine? So we are going to walk around this beautiful town to show you guys how it is, you know, maybe to experience something new, or you know, you never know. So let's just walk around and see what we find out in this beautiful town, guys. Yo, I'm very excited. Look at my bouncer. Yeah, this is my brother. So you have a YouTube channel, right?
Yeah.
Okay, introduce yourself now.
Yeah. Hello guys, how are you doing? This is Kevin Legend. Yeah. That's how it is.
You can check out his YouTube channel and yeah, support my brother. So I'm, you know, I'm working.
Bouncer,
Everything. Your editor.
Yeah.
Hey, guys, this guy have a talent, and he's also an artist though. Yeah, so we are going to walk around this beautiful town, explore. I'm with him because I know, like, some people are not really comfortable with cameras, and some people can be aggressive because this is not Kigali. You know, this is not Kigali where I just walk around as however I want. So I'm just carrying him around. He's holding the power bank for me because I'm having issue with my battery. But you know, we don't care. We are not minding all of that. So let's keep moving the town. Let's keep exploring this beautiful town. You can see. But it looks busy though. So far, so good. It's looking kind of busy already. You can see people moving around, coming and going. Yeah, right there is the Lake Kivu. Hey, guys. This town is beautiful. I'm very excited to be back here after 2 years. Can you imagine? I've been here 2 years ago and now I'm back here. And guys, the thing I'm not talking about is how clean it is. Do you see that? Do you or you don't? It's very clean. Yeah, the pedestrian way is also clean as you can see. So yeah, Rwanda is the cleanest for you. Oh yeah. And guys, did I tell you that we have a domestic airport here in Kamembe? Yeah, we do. So like many people take plane from here to Kigali and then they can fly somewhere else or they can move around the town. Yeah, we do. And we also have beautiful hotels. Maybe we won't get a chance to move around there, but maybe we won't get a chance to go there, but we have hotels, beautiful ones. You can just come to this area and enjoy your time in this beautiful Kembe, baby. Yeah, you can see the road is clean, obviously, because this is Rwanda. It's not anywhere else. This is Rwanda, so the road have to be clean and well maintained. All right, guys, let's keep moving around and see how the place is. Here is the bank, Access Bank, for people who use Access. You can come here. Yeah, Western Union and all of that. Clinics. The town is busy though. Like, it's busy and it has a lot of things to offer. And guys, let me tell you, there are a lot of Congolese car because we are neighboring Congo, so there's a lot of Congolese cars here. Yeah, I mean they have the Congolese plate number, so yeah, that's how it is, guys. Whoo. It's amazing. Guys, let me know what do you think about this beautiful Kamembe. Let me know in the comment section. What do you think? Have you been here before or it's your first time here? Let me know in the comment section what you think of this beautiful Kamembe. And if something is surprising, please let me know. Congolese car, another Congolese car. There's a lot of Congolese car in this area. So yeah. Ooh, it's hot. How do you see Kamembe, legend? How do you see Kamembe?
Yeah.
Are you enjoying the view?
Eh?
Are you enjoying the town?
The cleanest city.
Is it the cleanest than Kigali?
Nah.
But it's clean, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this one is clean too. So yeah. And guys, let me tell you, I want to go to DRC, but I'm not sure if we are going to have time because we want to go there. We want to go to the market. Like, we want to do a lot of things, but we're gonna try and see how it goes. This is another bank, I&M Bank, here in Rusizi. You can see people are selling mattress, like everything. I feel like you can get everything from here. Inyanje, yeah. Like, I feel like you can get everything from here, but mostly I'm seeing mattress on our side, clinics, banks, But the other thing I'm noticing is that the road is kind of smaller than other towns. So yeah, like the road is a little bit smaller, or maybe it's because the pedestrian way is busy. Like it's not easy to have a pedestrian way. Like, you can see how it is. It's busy town, and yeah, one thing is leading to another. But guys, I'm enjoying this town after 2 years, and I see that something have changed. Like the building, it looks like they renovated area. just look like a new town now. Yeah. These are house. Over there it has fitness, sauna and massage. Yeah. You can see the town is busy. And we also have to be careful as we are walking on the side of the road because we don't really have a pedestrian way. We are just walking on the main road. So it's crazy, right? And it's risky. But who cares? Who cares? We are just exploring the town so we don't give up. Yeah, yeah. Listen, please. She's behind. Ha. I'm going to leave her. Yeah. Ooh. Ah, it's crazy. The roads are busy, but they are clean. You can see that they swept the road here. You can see like very clean. Oh my goodness. Welcome to Rusizi. Is this a market? Or maybe just what? A building. I feel like this is not the market. Is it? Don't tell me. When was the last? Oh, maybe it's the market. Ha, guys. It's been a while since I came here, so I'm not sure if this is the market or it's just a building, a shopping building. But I'm sure the market is around here. So we are going to walk around this area and then maybe come back, go to the market or something. Yeah. And of course, bikes everywhere. Yeah. Bikes is our transportation way. It's one of the easiest way of transportation. So we also have them here. And of course, they have to wear helmets. Like, and they don't carry more than 2 people on a bike. So it's everywhere in Rwanda. It's not only in Kigali, it's not only in where you went, but also like everywhere. And guys, let me tell you, you people been saying that Rwanda is only Kigali. What do you mean? Look at this one. This is what? This is Kamembe. Like far away from Kigali. It's 7 hours away from Kigali. And look at how beautiful it is. Clean and busy. And also you can get almost everything you want from this area. So like Kigali, Rwanda is not only Kigali, it's the whole country. Rwanda is the whole country. Here you can get everything. The thing you can get in Kigali, you can also get them from here. You're going to go all the way down. Here. You see? So like it's not only Kigali, it's the whole country. Rwanda is the whole country, it's not only Kigali. So guys, you should come and visit the whole town. You should come and visit Kamembe so that you can explore the city and see how it is. You see? It's clean and it's busy. You can get everything you want. You can see like buildings on the sides, vehicles and everything. So what do you mean? Huh? Maybe I should take you around the neighborhood, the richest neighborhood here, for you guys to see that, people are living their life here. But yeah, they are. So guys, I'm here to show you another town you should visit in this beautiful country of Rwanda. So yeah, make sure you subscribe. Please, make sure you subscribe because this is crazy. The sun is, the sun is blowing my mind. But we gotta do what we gotta do. We gotta do what we gotta do. Yeah, you can see like, we are in a quiet area a little bit. This one is kind of quieter than where we were. Yeah, we are just moving around the town, showing you how it is. We are also with our sister, but we left her behind. It's crazy, right? Yeah, I know. It's crazy, but it is what it is. So guys, we are still on our way, walking around this beautiful town, So we are just passing this beautiful Kamembe City Plaza. Erica restaurant. Yeah, this one is a restaurant. You can come here to get something, maybe. Yeah, to eat or something. Yeah, and I feel like this one is a market because like it's been some time since I came here, so I'm not sure. But I feel like this one is a market, so we go around the market too. But for now, let's just move around a little bit and see how the place is. To show you the town, to explore this beautiful city of Kembe for you guys to see, and yeah, so that you can add it to your bucket list of travel. This is how it is. We are walking around the market, and you can see there is building under construction, different things, restaurants and stuff. Yeah. Wow, we are on this building. Wow. Guys, so far, let me tell me, how do you see the town so far? Is it up to your expectation or it's missing something? Let me know in the comment section, guys. Yeah, have you been here before? If you haven't, let me know how you see this beautiful town. And also, if you've been here, what's something you miss from here, or what's something you love about this beautiful town? Oh yeah, this is how it looks like. Some beautiful buildings, but they look new, and some constructions. Oh yeah. Yes, yes, yes. That's it for you guys. That's it for you. So let's move around, and maybe we are going to go to the other side of the road, and we might end the video here so that we can, do other things, or maybe do another part of the video. Yeah, we are going to do another part of the video, guys. And it's gonna be what? Guess what? Guess what? Did you guess right or wrong? I don't know. Check it out and tell me. Check it out and tell me. So let's go and do something else, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate, because it was not easy to make this video. I mean, hey, very busy, people moving here and there, but we enjoy showing you guys around and stuff like that. So make sure you subscribe. Yeah, make sure you subscribe, leave a positive comment, and let me know what you think about this video. See you in another one. Bye.